Kaboosh, do you want do you want like clean teeth? Do you want clean teeth? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monia. We will be doing an easy yet dramatic Catwoman Halloween look. So we're gonna really focus on our eyes, a nice thick cat eye with some glamorous lashes, falsies, and then we're gonna really accentuate our face. So we're gonna do contouring to the max, and then we're gonna highlight to the max because we gotta be glowing to the gods, honey. And on top of that, we're gonna bust out a red lip because that's like the staple of Catwoman. It's all about being sultry, sexy, confident, mysterious, and just like the bomb.com. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have the base of my face already done. Let's go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm gonna grab my favorite and my go-to easy breezy, dummy proof cat eye eyeliner, which is the Tom Ford eye defining pen. So I'm gonna start stamping out my cat eye. Now is not the time. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera really quick. Eyeliner, done. That was probably the hardest part. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I'm gonna go ahead and outline that waterline on top just to emphasize the depth and darkness of my eyes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down on the bottom half as well. Are you done? Let's go ahead and smoke out the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go in with my Soft Glam palette and focus on those darker colors because, girl, we ain't playing with that soft stuff. Like, we going in for the hard. I'm gonna use my smudger brush and dip right into Rustic, which is this brown color, and start building out the bottom lash line. And then with Noir, I'm gonna dip into this and focus it on the middle outside portion of my lash line. So I'm gonna start from the outside and bring it in. Ooh. Now we're gonna go ahead and just emphasize our contour. We're just gonna go ahead and warm it up a little bit more with bronzer. And I'm gonna use the angled of my powder brush just to hit it in that cheekbone area, and then push it up to just blend it out. So most of the color is emphasized in the cheek area. And then we're gonna just bring it up and around. Perfect, nice and dramatic. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on highlighter and just really get crazy with it. We're gonna go ahead and put that beautiful red lipstick that we feel most confident in. Mine is the YSL. It's more of like a deeper blood colored red, and it's 8. And it's the YSL Couture Matte Stain. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on and then throw on some obnoxious, just kidding, fabulous and glam falsies. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Next, I'm gonna bust out some bomb lashes, Lily lashes, Mykonos, so bouge. Look at that, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead, put these on off camera, and be right back with my little Catwoman-esque headpiece that I made. Here is the final look with the little piece. Definitely pair it with some black latex, leather, anything that makes you feel powerful, confident, sexy, and like you own it. Because that's what Catwoman exudes. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. Have you tried to recreate this look? Have you been Catwoman? If you have been Catwoman or you're going to, what is your piece that you feel just ties it all together and just like really like you put it on, you're just a changed woman. This is it for me. Like, I'm like, I ain't playing today, buddy. And until next time, bye guys.